It's so nice to have a night out. Have fun! Phew! They're finally away! Hey, come with me. I want to show you something. But it's a secret. You can't tell my parents, okay? I mean it. I'll be watching you. Come on, it's down here. It's a pretty boring basement, huh? But I have big plans. I'm thinking of building a water park. I'll need to get rid of all this junk. That painting is definitely going. Huh? Check that out. Wow, that is so bad. I can't use any of that. What else have we got? That might be okay. Mom and Dad really have a lot of trash down here. That must be one of Mom's originals. That was her portrait era. Ugh, look at that. What was Dad thinking? Where did all this come from? I mean, seriously, throw things out. Look at this suitcase. Whoa! I really don't get art. Oops, sorry. Now this is more like it. I always wanted to try skateboarding. Okay, that was a bad idea. But check that out! It's my old slide! It's pretty cool, huh? I used to love this as a kid. I'll be right back. Okay, it's time to get to work. We'll start over here. Come on. We need to create space. These can go. I still don't know about this. I feel like it's watching me. It's kinda unsettling. Nah, it's gotta go. This is a great workout. Mom and Dad should be paying me for this. It's never ending. Phew, I'm getting tired. Come on! Why is this so heavy? That's better. It's like a blank canvas. And that's just what I need. I have this flamingo template. I'll place it on the wall. I need some more. Okay, now it's time to start painting. There's something relaxing about creating art. Who knows? This might be a masterpiece. It could sell for millions. Maybe not. But I like it. I'm nearly finished. What do you think? I know. You're impressed. It feels like a tropical paradise. But it's missing something. What is it? I know! Give me a minute. There. My bed can go right there. That's much better. I think I deserve a rest. Ugh, I can't get comfortable. This isn't working. I need to fix this. I'll place a blanket over the bed. This should soften it up. Now I'll add some pillows. It's starting to look cozy. What else do I need? Oh, I have a great idea. You're gonna love this. I'm not talking about my sweet moves. I mean about my slide. I'll just move it into position. I'm gonna connect to the top bunk. It's gonna be awesome! Next I need to inflate this pool. This is tough! I'm starting to get dizzy. I have a better idea. I just need my hairdryer. And a plastic bottle. I'll place the top of the bottle over the hairdryer. Then use tape to hold it in place. I need to make sure it's secure. That should do it. This is awesome! Pew! Pew! I'll place it over the valve on the pool. And switch it on. Look! It's working! Wow, this is so easy. And really quick. I wish I had thought of this earlier. It's ready! I don't need this anymore. Now I need to put it into position. The bottom of the slide is the perfect location. That's another job done. But what should I fill it with? Balls, of course! Lots and lots of balls. Ready to try it out? This is so exciting! Here I come! Whee! That was so much fun! This is the best idea I've ever had! Why haven't I done this before? Hello? It's Grace. You need to come over to my house. It's party time. Grace? Oh my gosh. That sounds amazing! Woohoo! Hey, a party? Alright! Yeah! Hello? A party? I'll be there. Hello? Wow, that sounds great! Yes! I'm on my way! You know I love a party! Really? Let's do this! I'll see you soon!
Oh yeah! I'm invited? Wow!
It's gonna be a late one. See you then! This is gonna be great! There's still so much to do. I can't waste any time. This needs to go. You're coming with me. There's nothing to watch on this TV. Every party needs a good playlist. But this old speaker isn't music to my ears. Let's get rid of these boxes. Phew. Almost done. These are the last few things. You're wondering what I'm gonna do now, aren't ya? Come on. I'll slide this stand into the corner. This seems like a good spot. Let's have a look at it. It's a little boring. Let's find some decorations. Pretty cool. Get it? It's a fan. That can go here. We need to find more. These will definitely create a party mood. They can go on the wall, too. It's all coming together. It's gonna look amazing! This bunting will look great on the stand. It's gonna be the social event of the year. But I'm not finished. This will be the main feature on the wall. Can you give me a hand? I'll smooth it out so there's no creases. This is thirsty work. Just kidding. It's empty. I'll stick it to the wall. Then add some more. There's space for one more cup. My Ferris wheel is complete. Wow, I love it! Now I need to do the skyline. These clouds are cute. It feels like I'm at the beach. I just need to work on my tan. Now I need to do the other wall. Ah! Here goes! This is speed decorating! How about a hot air balloon? Perfect. This seems like a good time to practice my dance moves. Oh, that's enough. It's too tiring. Huh? I'm gonna need drinks and snacks. I need to raid the kitchen! Parkour! Don't mind me! Aha! This is what I'm looking for. You're coming with me. Don't mind me. Nice and easy. Made it! No one will suspect a thing. I'll put them around here. This can be my bar. This is making me hungry. Time for a quick glasses change. And a refreshing drink. Ah, that hit the spot. But I'm gonna need glasses of a different kind. It is a party after all. I'm feeling tropical. So I may as well get in the mood. This is looking tasty. And I'll add a little umbrella. Now I can start to relax. And maybe get into the party mood. Potato chips. I could eat them all the time. They're my favorite. It's time to party! Woohoo! This is amazing! Woo! I love what you've done with the place, Grace!
Oh yeah! Did you see that? I feel so alive! Whoa, what a rush! Who wants a drink? An orange soda? Coming right up. Enjoy.
Thanks! This is the best! Oh hey! You're looking good! Yes! Let's do this! I love this!
Oh yeah!
I'm having so much fun! Woo! Oh my gosh, this song's the best! Does it get any better than this?
I've been working on these moves. My mom says I'm a great dancer. Coming through, ladies.
Ooh! I'm gonna play a game. Yes! I got the ball in the cup! Too easy! Trick shot! Wow, I am good! Grace, you throw the best parties. Oh, let's dance!
Wow, what a night!
Grace, the slide's all yours! Here I come! Wow! Wow! What a rush! I want to do it again! I don't want this to stop!
Huh? I didn't expect that. I'm not complaining. I can finally be a mermaid. I mean, merman.
Justin!
What?
You were dreaming.
I have an idea. I think I'm ready. Let's go swimming!
What are you doing?
Look at this! I want to go to a water park!
Oh, I know! We can build a water park at home! We're open for business!
Take that! Pow! No!
Oh, my poor back. Justin? Have a look at this.
Whoa! No way! Is that a pool? We need water!
Start filling it up.
You got it, Mom! Careful, I don't want to spill it. Here's 1 bucket of water.
Good boy. Pour it in.
Here goes. I think we're going to need a lot more water. What do you think, Mom?
Maybe this will help. It should speed things up.
Good thinking, Mom. That's why you're the brains of this operation.
Keep going. That should do it. Phew. I'm glad that's over. Try it out.
Let me check the temperature. Ah, it's perfect. Stand back. I'm going in. This is amazing! I could never get bored of this! It's the best day ever! Woo!
Take it easy, sweetie. Whew, this is thirsty work.
You could have some water, Mom. I've got lots!
Justin! Stop it!
Uh-oh.
Take a deep breath. It's just water. That gives me an idea. I'll start by making a small hole in the base of this cup. Then I'll insert string into it and pull it through. Now I need to attach this to the pool. I'll wrap it around this valve. And do the same at the other side. Next we need a start line. And of course, a finish line. It's a game! 1, 2, 3, go! Get the cup to the other side.
Pew! Pew! I'm doing it, Mom!
That's it!
I'm the greatest!
Well done, sweetie. At least you won't aim at me now.
That's what she thinks.
Oh! Oh, I spoke too soon.
All the water is gone. Whoa!
I thought you would like this. Every water park needs a slide.
It's glorious! I'll get the water!
Not this time. We need this.
Oh, I get it. We can fill it with balloons. Hold on.
Aw, he tries his best. Luckily I have these balls.
I'm getting dizzy. But I gotta keep going.
You're doing a great job, Justin! And it gives me time to fill up the pool.
Mommy! Save me!
It's okay, honey. I'm right here. Give me the balloon.
Careful, Mom. It's dangerous.
Let's use a pump instead.
Whoa! What will they think of next?
See? That wasn't so hard.
You're my hero, Mom!
This can go in the pool. We need a few more balloons. Well, what are you waiting for? Get up there.
Hey, Mom!
Hi, sweetie. Go for it.
You got it, Mom. It seems a lot higher from up here. I don't know if I can do it. Nope, I'm out.
It's okay. You can do anything.
Wait, safety first. Ugh, that's better.
Okay, are you ready?
What a rush!
I think that's everything.
Don't forget this.
I'm glad that's over. You can put this in the trash.
Aw, that's not fair.
No arguing.
This is heavy. He shoots. He scores! Now I can relax. Huh? What's that?
Not so fast, buddy. Let go, kid.
Nope.
I mean it.
I'll trade you. Check out this guy.
Oh, you got yourself a deal. He's so fluffy. Feisty little guy, isn't he?
Wow, you've got some great moves. Have fun. Oh, I will.
What took so long?
Can't talk. Busy.
Okay.
I have big plans for these. This looks like a good spot. Time to get to work.
What are you doing?
A little DIY. I need to concentrate.
You need to be careful.
That looks good, but there's more to it.
Are you sure you know what you're doing?
That's it! Now to hang the sign. This is gonna look great. I hope it stays on. How does it look, Mommy?
A power tower? Oh! Wow, it's great! But it's missing something. This is what you need. Take a seat.
Whoa! Wow! I can't wait to try it! This is so exciting!
Strap yourself in and hold on. Are you ready?
Yep, go for it!
Going up.
Whoa! I can see everything from up here.
Wanna come down?
Yeah!
Hold on tight.
Wow! It was amazing! Again! What goes up must come down.
Justin? Look what I made.
Looks good, Mom.
You can relax now.
This is exactly what I needed. All this excitement is tiring.
And I've got a drink for you.
Ooh, my favorite. Thanks, Mom. I'm getting sleepy. I'll close my eyes for a second. Huh? That's a bright light. At least I have my sunglasses. Mom!
Is something wrong?
It's too bright!
Oh, of course. I can use this. This bulb is gonna be hot.
Ow! Mom! Are you okay?
I think so. At least I changed the bulb.
That's much better.
I need to lie down.
Where's my drink? Maybe I can work on my tan. I'm sure they'll turn up. Finally! Mindy, I'm so glad you made it!
Sup, bro?
Come here, you! I love the swim cap! Whoa! I'm bored. Let's play frisbee. Hey, catch!
Got it! Nice throw! Coming back at ya!
Ooh, that's gotta hurt.
Work on your aim! But I'm okay! Whee!
What a relief. This is the life.
Phew!
You're so lucky, Justin! Everybody loves going to a water park, but imagine having one in your own home. What's your favorite part at a water park? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one.